The thermometer is attached to your grill's lid. It reads the temperature inside the cooking chamber. Over time, water can seep into the thermometer. This water will fog the glass with condensation while you use your grill. The water can also cause mold to grow inside the thermometer. Replacing the thermometer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The thermometer attaches to your barbecue's lid from the underside. I'll go ahead and remove the lid from the grill. Now I can unscrew the wing nut to release the thermometer. Now I can install the new thermometer. First, I'll remove the wing nut from the back. Now I'll place the thermometer through the bezel. And I'll place this assembly back through the hole on the lid. I'll flip the lid over. And secure the thermometer with the wing nut. And that's how easy it is to install a new thermometer on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.